Well, good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. 14 October 2021. And folks, this is hot off the presses. I haven't even seen it yet. You are looking at the ShibaSwap NFT drop page that just went live. I'm not sure what time it is. I'm looking at my clock here. It is actually 6:30 Central Standard Time. I'm looking at this. I don't know exactly what time it turned on. I've been waiting for this for a couple of days, and as you know, if you are a subscriber to this channel, you are aware that the NFT drop that was announced on the 5th of October, and they did say sometime this week that the Shiboshi's NFTs we're going to drop, and I think this is it. We're looking, they've got a home screen, gallery, marketplace, they've got a wallet. It says here, Shiboshis are a 10,000 lovable Shiba Inu generated non-fungible token externally written by Ethereum blockchain, or externally written on the Ethereum blockchain. These Shibs have varying traits that make each unique and collectible. For instance, laser eyes or a party hat. Furthermore, each trait corresponds to an enhancement of the base Shiba strength of the Shiboshi in our upcoming Shiboshi game. Folks, this is big. This is as big as it gets, if you ask me, as far as what you can possibly do with one of these meme tokens. You'll be able to purchase and trade these Shiboshis here at ShibaSwap. These are the official Shiboshis of the Shiba Inu decentralized community, as seen on Forbes, Wall Street Journal, Fortune, CNN, MSNBC, and just about everywhere else. Sorry, we are sold out. Look at this. Sorry, we are sold out at this time. But there are other packs coming. Do you see this? I think this might, I mean, are they saying they're already sold out of all of them? Are they saying that all 5,000 Shiboshis are already sold out? Folks, do you realize how much these things were? They were $350 a piece for the first 1,000, approximately $700 a piece for the second set of 2,000, and upwards of $1,000, $1,200 for the last set of 3,000. It says right here, choose the amount you want to mint. Okay, so you got to have leash or ETH here. It says swap your tokens for other tokens. Folks, you're looking at it. You're looking at it. I think they all sold out in the first 1 hour. I'm not sure what's going on here. They've got a minting progress going on here. They got a minting progress. They've got a gallery. They've got a build your own Satoshi set. I want to dig into that. Let me see if I can get this to scroll up here. If I can just get this. It says something about your Satoshi is unique, but even better, each of the properties of your Satoshi laser eyes corresponds to an attribute in our upcoming Shiboshi game. These properties enhance Shiboshi's base level in the attribute categories: life force, evasion, attack, luck, and skill. Okay, so folks, this is exciting. This is something you might want to share. I don't know, it looks like you can't click on the gallery here. Build your own Shiboshi set doesn't seem to be linked. I bet you can connect your wallet though. I bet you they got that linked. So we'll be reporting more on this story as it evolves, and more importantly, we will be talking about how this affects the price of SHIB, or if it affects the price at all. It says here the gallery is locked, the marketplace is locked, wallet is locked. I guess if I go back to the home, it's going to take me, let's see if it takes me anywhere. It doesn't appear that it's taking me anywhere. Maybe this is the home for Shiboshi ShibaSwap. It's not taking me back to the Shib site. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope if you wanted one of these things, you were quick to the draw, because it looks like it's already over. So guys, congratulations to those who got one. Please like, share, and subscribe. and I'll catch you on the next one.